Good morning, children. Come on, before we start today's session, we'll start with a tongue twister, right? Tongue twister. Okay, here is the tongue twister. She sells seashells on the seashore. She is sure that the shells that she sells will be there no more. You have to say it very fast, right? Again, should I repeat it again? Okay. She sells seashells on the seashore. She is sure that the shells that she sells will be there no more. Try saying it fast. You are going to enjoy it. Okay. I know you must have done yesterday's word worksheet and the word problems. I hope you have done it on your own, right? Okay, come on. Now, what picture can you see here now? Some bank picture? Yes? Can you see a bank? Have you visited a bank? Yes, you must have visited, or you must have seen a bank from outside, or some children must have visited with their parents, or some children also must be having an account in a bank, right? Yes. Now, as we know, there are many counters there, cash counter. There is a small mini counter where a person is sitting inside giving cash, taking cash, right? Okay. Then some numbers come there, so that is a token number comes there. We are also given a token number, and when our number is called out, then only we can go and deposit our bank money in the bank, or we can withdraw the money. Withdraw means what money is there in your account that you can remove. And what is the name of deposit? Deposit means you deposit whatever cash you have at home, or some cash which is collected, we go and deposit it in the bank. We keep it into the bank in your account. Yes, in our own accounts. Yes. Nowadays bank is also giving us many facilities, right? They are giving many facilities, loan facilities. Loan means what? If you want, now you want to buy a car and you have only less cash with you, and now you want to buy a car, you have less cash, then suppose like the car cost of the car is 2 lakhs, suppose, and you have only 1 lakh with you. Okay, now 1 lakh we have studied. 1 lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay, so that many cash you have, and still you want 1 lakh, you want to buy a new brand car. Okay, and then so you can take a loan from the bank, and the bank gives you the loan, and every month you have to pay back, right? You have to pay back to the bank. Okay, and then when you pay back, suppose like you have taken 1 lakh, but you have to give the bank more than 1 lakh. So the more money which you pay to the bank, suppose you have taken 1 lakh and you pay something 1 lakh 10,000. Now you must be wondering, if I have taken only 1 lakh, why am I going to pay extra 10,000? Yes, children, you have to pay that extra 10,000. Actually is called as interest. Yes, interest. Word interest. So they give you, and they also, you have to pay interest. Suppose you take 1 lakh, the bank gives you 1 lakh as a loan. The money you take from the bank is called as loan, and when you return it back, monthly installments we give it. Installment means monthly money which you pay to the bank, that is called a installment, and then you pay extra money with that, and then when you give it, then when you calculate at the end, when your loan is over, it is like 1 lakh 10,000, whatever interest is charged. So that extra money which is charged on the loan money which you had taken, that is called as interest, right children? Okay, so based on this only we have a nice story here. Yes, now these fisherwomen, yeah, they have become, now they are helping their men folk in fishing, buying, selling. So these few ladies have come together. Yes, they've come together. So few ladies have come together, and they thought of opening their own bank where they can only help their women community who are the members of that bank. Yes, very interesting, right? Yes. So this bank they have named as Minker Bank. Yes, it's a small bank, Minker Bank. Why they think they have opened it? So whatever they sell the fish, they want to save. So even if they want to buy something like nets or a boat, so they can take the help of their bank only. And here they can get easy money because they are going to save, and that saved money also they can take it from the bank, and they can purchase whatever they want, like boats, small boats, log boats, like fishing nets, etc. Right? So this is a women's Minker Bank. They have named it as Minker Bank. Now, Minkar Bank. Yeah. The meeting of the Minkar Bank has just begun. Yes, now they have started. Some 20 ladies have come together, 20 fisherwomen have come together. And the meeting of the Minkar Bank has just begun. And Fazila is the president. Yes, did you, last problem also Fazila was there? Yes. So she is the president here now. Okay. So these 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank and each lady is saving rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. See, 20 ladies and each lady she is saving rupees 25. How they save? Because all these ladies are fisherwomen and they sell fish. So some money they have to save. Yes. So each save rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. Yeah. So now the question is here, how much money does the group collect each month, right? Each month, how much money they are going to collect? Each lady is saving rupees 25 per month, every month. And how much money will be collected in 10 years? Yeah, see, they are going to, after 10 years, they are going to take their money, what they have collected in their bank. Come on, first we'll see how much money does the group collect each month. Yes. Now, one fisherwoman monthly contributes how much? Rupees 25. Okay. Who is the president of the bank? Fazila. Yes. So, one fisherwoman monthly contributes rupees 25. So, 20 fisherwomen's contribution is 25 into 20. What is the answer? Rupees 500. Children, this type of multiplications you can do it orally also. Hide that 0. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. Carry is coming on 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So, what I got here? 50. And that hidden 0 you add there. So, you got rupees 500. Right, children? Or you can do also 20. Everybody knows the 20 table. 20 into 5 and then carry over 22s are. Yes. So, the answer comes rupees 500. So, 20 fisherwomen's contribution collected for group collects each month is rupees 500. Yes. Now, group of 20 collects per month rupees 500. Now, the next question is how much they collect in 10 years. Now, tell me children, how can you find out for 10 years? Any guess? Yes, but before that, you will have to find how much these ladies will collect for 12 months. 12 months means how many years? 1 year. Yes, in 1 year, per year, how much they will collect? If you know for per year, then only I can find out for 10 years, right? I cannot find out for 10 years only how much they have collected on for 1 month. So for that, I'll have to see how much is collected for 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months, right? Okay. And how many ladies are there? 20. So group of 20 collect per year rupees 500 per month. Therefore, for contribution for month is rupees 500. Now I am calculating for 12 months. So 500 into 12. Now this multiplication also is very easy. Everybody knows 12 table, right? Okay. 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0. What is 12 fives are? 60. So the answer is rupees 6,000. So for 12 months they are collecting 6,000. 12 months mean 1 year. Yes, they are collecting 6,000. Now we come to the second question. How much money will be collected in 10 years? Now if I know for 1 year, I can find out for 20 years also, right? I can find out for 50 years also. Okay, now we come for 10 years. So group collects per 10 year. How much for 1 year they have collected? 6,000. 6,000 into 10. Now this multiplication also is very easy. What is 10 6 are? 60 and add all the zeros. So how much they have collected per after 10 years, how much money they will be collecting? Rupees 60,000. Yes, they will collect rupees 60,000, right? Okay. See how beautifully this bank is very nicely they are running the bank, and how they are collecting. Just a small amount is being collected, just 25, because they are just the fisherwomen, they are just selling, and they thought like that we should also save some money. So they started and they opened one bank, and that is a Minkar bank. And then every month they are just collecting rupees 25. I know children, even you must be having a piggy bank with you all. And whenever somebody gives you some money or your mama gives you money, you should always collect it into your piggy bank, and after 1 year you can open your piggy bank, or when is your birthday, that time you can, whenever it is there, that time you can open your piggy bank and you can see how much money you have collected for the whole year. Yeah, it will be fun. You should try doing this. Okay, and if you have not started, please do start. You will enjoy your collection, and when you collect it and when you see how much money is there and counting and seeing that money, it's really a fun. When that money is collected, you can tell your parents you can tell them, you can take them to the bank and you can open your own account, and all that piggy bank amount what you have collected, you can deposit it there. I told you the meaning of deposit. You deposit it into the bank. Yes, every year you can do. And just imagine after 10 years how much money will be collected in your account, right? Okay, come on. Now we move to the next sum. Now there's a practice sum here. Now there's a practice time is again word problem. Again a worksheet will be shared. So before that we will discuss it now. Okay, now again Gracie has been here. Gracie needs money to buy a net. She wants to buy a net. Net means fisher net, fishing net. Yeah. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a logboat. Now Jhansi is there and her sister, they want to buy a logboat. You know, we have studied about a logboat, the small logboats. Yes. So they take a loan from their bank. I told you the meaning of loan also. Loan means you have to go sign some papers and the loan is given to you. The bank gives you loan. Yes, and you should tell the purpose for why you want, for what you want, and then the loan is sanctioned and you get the money. Okay, so they will return it with interest. So they have told we are going to return all the money with interest. Now we will see how much loan they have taken. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much? 1 year. How much money she has taken? 4,000. And every month she is returning to the bank rupees 345 every month for 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. Okay. How much money did she pay back to the bank? How much money in the whole year? How much money she has paid? Come on, let's see. She took a loan of rupees 4,000 for the net, right? Okay. Every month how much she has promised to pay to the bank? Rupees 345. Okay. Next. Therefore, amount paid back every year. Every year means in a 1 year. For 1 year how much she is going to pay? Yeah. Amount paid. How much every month she is paying? 345. 1 year means 12 months. So 345 into 12. 12 5s are. You have to do this multiplication. You know 12's table, right? Okay. So the answer comes to rupees 4,140. What is the answer? 4,140. And what is her loan amount? Gracie's loan amount. Can you see in the question? Yes, it is 4,000. For what she has taken it? To buy a net. Yes, to buy a net. Now, she is going to pay. The whole year she has been paying for every month, and it is come to rupees 4,140. Yes. So, Gracie paid total rupees 4,140. Don't you think some difference is there? She has taken 4,000 and she is paying 4,140. Don't you think that 140 is extra money she is paying? Yes, that extra money is known as interest to the bank. I told you all, whenever we take any loan, you have to pay, when you're returning back to the bank, we pay some extra amount on that loan, and that is called as interest. For today, you only know what is the meaning of this. Extra money paid on the loan taken is known as interest. Enough. Yeah? Okay. Now we come back to the problem. Gracie paid total rupees 4,140, but rupees 140 as interest. Yes, she has paid as interest to the bank. Have you all understood the sum? She has taken a loan, and every month how much she has paid? 345. So, full year how much she paid? In 1 year she has to complete the loan taken. Yes, only that much period is given to her by the bank. So, she pays it every month 345, 345, 345, and it comes to 345 into 12 comes to rupees 4,140. Loan is 4,000 but she is paying 4,140. Yes. So 4,000 is a loan and 140 is the extra amount that is called as interest she pays back to the bank. Have you all understood? Okay. Now we go to the next problem. Now Jhansi and her sister also took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. Yes, they want to buy a boat now. These two sisters want to go for fishing on their own. And you know now women also are going on their own. They don't depend on men. They also go for fishing. Yes, and they paid back. And now they have taken a loan of 21,000 from the bank. Yes, that Minkar bank. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520. Okay, now something must have clicked you. They took 21,000, rupees 21,000 and they are paying back 23,520 in 1 year. Yes, 1 year means 12 months. The period given to them by the bank is just 1 year. So, how much did they pay back every month? Now we have to find out. In the previous sum, they had told us how much Gracie paid every month. Now here we have to find out how much these two sisters are paying back every month to the bank. Yes, they have taken a loan of 21,000 and 23,520 they have paid back. That extra amount that which they have paid is called as interest, right? Okay, come on, let's solve this sum now. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 for log boat, right? Yes, they paid back in 1 year rupees 23,520. Okay, next. Therefore, amount paid back monthly. Now we have to find out how much money every month these two sisters have paid back to the bank. Yes. So, rupees 23,520. You cannot take 21,000. You have to take the total amount. Yes, total amount. That is rupees 23,520 divided by 12. Why 12? 12 means 1 year. Yes, 1 year means 12 months. Remember children. Yes. So, divided by 12, I get rupees 1,960. Yes, can you see the working I have done there? Yes, 12 ones are 12. Then minus 23 minus 12, I get 11. Bring down the 5. 12 nines are 108. 115 minus 108, I get 7. Bring down the 2. 12 6 are 72. Bring down the 0 and give it back in the quotient. Yes. So, how much money they have paid every month to the bank? Yes, they have paid rupees 1,960. So, every month the sisters paid rupees 1,960. Yeah. Therefore, rupees 23,520 minus rupees 21,000, that is the loan taken by the two sisters, and they paid 23,520 after a year. So, what is the difference we have got here now? Rupees 2,520. Rupees 2,520. So, rupees 2,520 interest was paid on the loan taken for rupees 21,000. Have you all understood, dear children? Yes. The interest, I told you, the extra amount is charged by the bank, that is known as interest. Yeah, that is the interest charged by the bank. Okay, have you all enjoyed this Minkar bank, the women's Minkar bank? Yes, related to this, I am going to again forward you all a worksheet based on these questions, and you have to read it and solve it, dear children. I know you all are going to enjoy. I hope you all have understood this. Yes, what things I told you all about a bank. Then first we started with a tongue twister. You have to go to try it first. Then bank, and who is the president of the bank? Fazila. How many ladies are there? 20 ladies. Yes, they give the loans and they charge the interest also. Yes. The loan amount and the extra amount which we pay on the loan amount, that is known as interest, right? Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's topic. Yes, further topics are also more interesting, more interesting, and I will make it interesting to you all. I hope what I have taught today, you all have understood it, right children? Please do solve the worksheet. Goodbye and have a good day. Bye bye children.